Hi, I'm Michelle Simone and I'm a hairstylist, and today we're going to show you how to use a hair scarf in your hair. So I'm going to start by putting her hair into a bun, but you can leave your hair down or you can put it into a ponytail, however you want to style it. But I think that these look kind of nice in a Rosie the Riveter kind of way. If you put it into a bun, if you have bangs, it looks really nice when they come out if you swoop them to the side. I'm going to do a nice high bun using a ponytail. And then I'm going to wrap her hair around it and secure it with some pins. So I'm just twisting it around. A nice easy bun. The front doesn't have to be too perfect because you're going to put a scarf over it. Then secure it like you would a regular bun with a couple of pins on each side just to make sure that it stays. And then you're going to take your scarf. I'm using one that's this size, but you can use them smaller or bigger, however you like it. I fold it in half diagonally, and then I'm just rolling it up to create a nice headband. I'm going to take the middle, place it underneath her hair, and I'm pulling it behind her ears and up to the top of her head. I'm going to tie mine into a double knot, but you can also do a bow. And if you want, you can leave this out, kind of a rockabilly look, or you can tuck the sides in, however you like. If it gets a little loose, you might want to secure it with some pins at the bottom, or you can just tie it again a little closer to the front. And that's it. We have just shown you how to use a headscarf in your hair.